Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about multifocal contact lens. The definition is multifocal lenses are options for people who want to transition from bifocal or multifocal glasses to contact lenses. This type of contact lenses are great for people with active lifestyles who don't want to be chained to their reading glasses. There are different types of multifocal lenses available on the market that correct different types of vision disorders. So, those people who want to use bifocal or multifocal contact lenses, nowadays multifocal contact lenses are available in the market. So, multifocal contact lenses are different types. Number 1, simultaneous vision designs, and number 2, segmented design or translating multifocal contact lenses. Now, number 1, simultaneous vision designs. In this type of multifocal design, different zones of the lens are designed for far and near and sometimes intermediate vision also. Depending on the object being viewed, the viewer's visual system determines the region of the lens that provide the sharpest vision. There are two types of simultaneous vision designs. Number 1, concentric multifocal contact lens. Here, these multifocal contact lenses have a primary viewing zone in the center of the lens, surrounded by concentric rings of near and distance power. See the diagram. These are the concentric rings. So, this center part and this part and this part are for distance vision, and this yellow part are for near vision. The central viewing zone usually is for viewing distant object, this part. But center near designs also are available. Next, number 2, aspheric multifocal contact lenses. Here, these multifocal contact lenses are similar to concentric multifocal contact lenses, but instead of having discrete rings of distance and near power surrounding the center of lens, the multifocal lens power gradually changes from distance to near, from the center to the periphery of the lens. So here this part for distance and this part for intermediate and this part for near. Here no concentric links like this diagram. Here concentric multifocal contact lenses. Here we have concentric rings, but here no concentric rings. This design is exactly progressive addition lens. In this regard, aspheric multifocal contact lenses are designed somewhat like progressive eyeglass lenses. Next, advantage: no hosting as in concentric design. Clarity of vision at all distances. It is very simplified fitting. It's used mostly for office workers only. Disadvantage, pupil dependency. Next, number 2, segmented designs or translating multifocal contact lenses. In this translating design, the near power is bottom of the lens. This part, bottom of the lens. The bottom is flatter to keep the lens from rotating on our eye when blink. Next, advantage. Here, sharp near and far vision. When it works well, it is very successful. It works better in RGP and less successful in scleral contact lens. Disadvantage, it takes longer time for adaptation. Comfort is very less due to thick design. It depends on eye lens relationship. Next, choose material. Soft lenses, best for use on a part-time basis. Only for part-time basis, soft material contact lenses are good. Soft lenses are a good choice because they are the easiest for the eye to adjust to. Gas permeable lenses have been known to give better result, but they do require more adaptation for wearer. RGP lenses should be on every day in order for our eyes to condition to them. And last one is hybrid multifocal lenses. Hybrid means combination of soft and RGB contact lens. For those who want the best of both worlds, there is now a hybrid multifocal contact lens available that is soft around the periphery part of contact lenses are soft and the center part of the contact lens is RGP material, making this lens easier to wear with great vision results. Hope you all understood the multifocal contact lenses. Thank you.